Hi everyone, Tshepo here from Le Cigarettes and welcome to another video. Today's video is about making inquiries. So you've landed in bots and you have some questions and you're trying to impress the people around you. Or you are on, you're on holidays in South Africa and they're like, these are Botswana. And you're like, ooh, I'm gonna show off. So obviously, the first thing you say before you make inquiries, you say hello to people. Hello, dumela to a single person. Dumela ma, which is more respect to a woman. Hello, ma'am. Dumela ra, hello, sir. Dumelang, no gender. It's plural. It is respectful, even if it's to one person. Dumelang. Then you might say Leina lameke. My name is Leina lameke Tshepo. Wena ubidiwa mang. You, what do they call you? Wena ubidiwa mang. Wena is like you. Ubidiwa mang. What is your name? That's one way to say what's your name. Or you can say, what is your name? Leina la gago ke mang. Leina la gago ke mang. What is your name? The name that belongs to you is what? That is the literal translation of that sentence. Then, after someone said, oh yeah, no, kibidiwa kifilwe. I'm called Kifilwe. Leina lameke Kifilwe. You're like, okay, Kifilwe. Awiti. Do you know? That might be a person. That might be a verb. That might be a place. So, awiti Tshepo. You might need to say which Tshepo, because Tsepos are many. Itse Tshepo, that means, do you know Tshepo? Right? You might actually also use that as an introduction. You're like, hello Kifilwe, itse Tshepo means, hi Kifilwe, do you know Tshepo? Right? Or you might be genuinely asking Kifilwe, hi Kifilwe, dumela Kifilwe, itse Tshepo, do you know Tshepo? Or the verb, itse go opela. Go opela is to sing. So, dumela Kifilwe, itse go opela. Hello Kifilwe, do you know how to sing? You might also say, do you know a place? Dumela Kifilwe, itse lobatse. Hello Kifilwe, itse lobatse. Do you know a place called Lobatse? Lobatse is a small town in Gabs. Oh, not in Gabs, in Botswana. In Botswana, on the way to South Africa from Gabs. Itse Lobatse. Itse mogoditshane. Itse molepolole. Itse mang. All these are different places in bots. And someone is like, oh, I know mogoditshane. Ke itse mogoditshane. Ga ke itse mang means I don't know mang. Right? And if someone's hitting on you or you're hitting on someone, do you know that I love you? Do you know that I love you? I'm helping the people. And then another inquiry you might have, because you've met Kifilwe and she doesn't know Tshepo, and you're going somewhere. Otsamaya leng. When tsamaya is go, leng is the question when. Otsamaya leng. When are you going? Re tsamaya leng. When are we going? Re is when you are including yourself in that. Re tsamaya leng, right? Rejaling, the verb is like re and then the verb and then ling means when do we do the thing. So re tsamaya ling, tsamaya is to go. So when do we go? Re ja leng. Ja is the verb to eat. When do we eat? Re goroga leng. That is a very common question in my household. Goroga is to arrive. When do we arrive? Re goroga leng. Right? Or a re gorogile. Have we arrived? That's the question. Have we arrived? A re gorogile. A re jele. A le jele. Have you eaten something? Have you eaten something? Re a go goroga leng. When will we arrive? We will arrive when. That's the literal translation. We will arrive when. Re a go goroga leng. Re goroga leng. A re gorogile. All these are we arriving? When do we arrive? Have we arrived? Many questions. Imagine you are in a combi, in a taxi, in a bus, and you're getting very impatient and you ask your neighbor, re gorogile. Means, have we arrived? Re goroga leng. When are we arriving? You don't want to just sit in a bus and not know when you are arriving. So hopefully this gives you questions that you can ask a neighbor, ask around. Till next time, kosiame. Bye.